Hi, this is John. I've got a Dodge Caravan 2000 and took it through DEQ and it failed because of it had a diagnostic trouble code of P1698, which I happen to know is a problem in the dashboard. Here's what the problem is. Behind the instrument panel here is a bad connection, according to my research. So what I'm going to do is take out the dashboard area, remove the instrument panel, do the soldering and put it all back together. How difficult could that be? It's only a matter of removing Phillips screws, pretty much. Let's get to it.